Hey you,
Beautiful people.
welcome to Real Divine. Welcome back to Real Divine. My channel is about a lot of things. I like to have fun. I enjoy making videos, and if that sounds like anything you're interested in, if you're interested into fun, then just press the subscribe button, please. Please don't hesitate. Thank you so much. See music. Currently, I am trying to online shop. I'm having such a hard time. I cannot pick what I want. There are so many things, so many things. I'm on Shein and Fashion Nova. I really honestly cannot decide. I'm having a hard time. Everything looks really good. And what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to incorporate heels into my wardrobe. I have like a few, but I want it to be like an everyday thing, like wear heels more because I don't wear them like that and I want to do it now. So I'm trying to do that, and it is not easy at all because all of them are so cute. Okay, so right now I'm on Shein trying to find something. Let me show you my cart first. I have 16 items in there, as you see already. I have this sheer bodysuit. I love sheer anything. I have this metallic bathing suit. I like glitter, metallic, stuff like that. This purple bodysuit, this newspaper look. I love this newspaper look. I remember seeing it on Sex and the City, and I just totally fell in love with it, and I have to have something like it. Something. Anything. This thank you, Chinese thank you, enjoy bodysuit. This butterfly tank top, very, very tie-dye, which I love. This blue top, this dress. I might take that dress out. I'm not really sure. I don't know why it won't let me X out of that. Okay, just ignore that for a sec. And I have this sheer top, again with butterflies on it, another tie-dye. This right here, let me go out because it's kind of annoying me. Let me see. Let me just scroll right here. This right here I love because it reminds me of something that Yara would wear from Grownish. So, really nice. And this denim dress, this other silk top that is purple, this white top, and this yellow top. I have a lot of tops in here. Yeah. And then I'm on Fashion Nova right now. This is where I'm getting my heels from, and I saw this dress. Oh my gosh, like look at this dress. This dress is so freaking cute. I love it. I love it. I just have to get it. And then other than that dress, I have these shoes, these clear shoes, these high gloss pants. Sadly, the pink ones are sold out, but I'm gonna get them when they're available again, whenever that'll be. So these are really cute. Like I said, I want to wear heels now, so it's time for me to flourish because, you know, when you are a bad ish, you have to be a bad ish, and you have to show that. And what better way to do that than express it through your fashion? So that's what I'm doing here, and I really like these. I really do. But I can't decide what I want to get now. Like, you guys should help me. Please help me. All of this is freaking sexy. I cannot take it out, even if I wanted to. This is why credit cards are so dangerous, because it makes you do things like this. And oh, like I was thinking if I should get a denim jacket, but I have so many denim jackets. I have a good amount now. I mean, I had 3, but I threw one away, so now I have 2. That's not so many, right? But I feel like maybe I should branch out and get something else. But that's the thing, I can't decide. Let me go to Fashion Nova and look at some more shoes instead. Probably pumps. I want to get something that covers my toes because I freaking hate my toes to the core of my soul. So I don't want to buy anything that's going to show that. But these are cute. Like, maybe I should get like regular black pair. So I should start neutral since I want to wear heels. And this black pair is a good idea. But I'm running this this total up so much, I'm like, maybe I need to take a step back. You know what I mean? But like, this is a thought. I should just add it to my cart and then decide later. But it's gonna be hard for me to like take it out because they're cute little ones, black ones. And like, I have cute black ones right now, but they actually bend it, like they go like this now. They're garbage now. So that's why I need to get 192. This is my point exactly. I like all of these. Like, these are really cute. I like the ones that show the toes, but like I said, I don't like my toes, so I don't want to show them at all. Let me see. Like, these are really cute. These are cute, but like I said, they're showing the toes. But these don't really show much toe, which is not bad at all. Which I'm pretty fine with, to be honest. Ooh, these are outline of black. This is really making it hard for me. And this is why I can't decide anything, because nice things keep popping up. But I actually like the heel being clear, so I'm gonna take these out. Oh my gosh, I can't decide anything. And I can't take this dress out. This dress is so cute. And I wanted the pink, like I said, I wanted these pink pants, but they're gone. So I should just replace the total that it would have went up to with this dress, because this dress is freaking hot. So hot. Oops, I cannot take it out. And then back to Shein. Guys, I don't know. I just sat here so quiet. I can't decide, like, and you're not even talking to me. You're not helping. I thought I'm just playing. Obviously, can't speak back, but like, this is really hard. Usually when I online shop, it takes me 2 to 3 days, maybe sometimes 4 days to find out exactly what I want, because there are so many options, especially like when there's such a huge sale. You know, you're putting this stuff in your cart like, oh my gosh, only $6, only $5, and then it just piles up and it adds up at the end of the day, and it's a whole bunch of money at the end that you have to pay. The total goes high rockets, I freaking swear. So I'm trying to avoid that, but it's obviously too late because I already did it. I'm trying to find something I should get and see something that maybe I shouldn't get it, because you know, when you go to your cart and you put so much things in there and you look at something long enough to where it becomes ugly. That's what I'm doing right now, and that's actually a good thing because I'll save money. And I'm trying not to look at things anymore, because if I keep looking at stuff, it's gonna make me want to spend. So let me just look at what I have. But like I said, I don't think I said this yet, but I said it last night while I was looking. I want to get like different kind of pieces. I don't want stuff that all looks the same. Obviously I got 2 tie-dye shirts, but I can't help that. That's a freaking cute butterfly, and this one's like a cute tie-dye. Like, I love tie-dye, for crying out loud. And then I like the heels that I put in the cart, which is nice. So I think I might just settle. And I might take out these black shoes, but like I said, I want to do, but maybe I shouldn't, because I really want to do heels and everything right now. And I don't know why when this pops up, it will not go away. So I might have to order this on my phone. I'm not really sure. But you guys, that is it. I'm going to show you guys everything that I get once I have my haul. Once everything comes in, I'm going to have a try on haul. I'm going to try all of these things on. Some of these things that you see in here are definitely permanent, like they're not coming out. Definitely the shoes, the pants at Fashion Nova, but some of the stuff on Shein, I'm like, maybe I shouldn't get, maybe I should get, like I'm not really sure yet. So I'll show you guys everything once I decide on something for sure. Like, I'm like, this is a good choice. This is a good buy. But yeah, maybe I should take some stuff out of Shein so I can feel a little better about what I'm about to do. But the more stuff, the better. I love having a bunch of stuff in my cart, even though it's a big total. Oh, finally came off. Even though there's a lot of stuff in my cart, I enjoy having a variety. Like, there's like 16, 15 stuff in my cart. You can't go wrong with that. You're getting a lot of stuff. Like, when that package comes, it's going to be pretty thick and it's going to be super worth it, even though it was the amount that it is. And obviously 100 and something is not too much, but this plus the Fashion Nova, and I plan on getting some makeup, some Fenty Skin, which is coming out. Not makeup, maybe makeup. Actually, we just ordered some concealer and some lipsticks, so I'm good there. But Fenty Skin, the release about it, I have to go ahead and order it, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to be really cautious right now. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully I decide later on, and I will show you guys everything, I promise. Once I get it, I'm gonna have a haul. Even though I don't do that good on hauls sometimes, I'm gonna do much better on this one. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will really mean a lot.